In this video, I'm going to cover the daily and the weekly checklist to optimize your movement and lifestyle. So the first thing every day is to have gratitude. So to think about what it is that you really value, that you have in your life, and just be grateful for it. So a lot of us kind of just get into the day and don't think about it and just rush ahead and feel like, things are hard or we're being hard done by, but we forget to realize that just being alive is amazing, but we've got amazing people in our lives and all the resources around us in the world, just like everybody else, and it's just up to us to make the most of it. And sometimes you just got to step back and appreciate that, so that way you can kind of reset, start fresh and go, okay, this is all opportunity. So I find that really helpful for myself whenever I'm feeling a bit down or a bit off, or that things are a bit hard. I just kind of step back, look at it all and have gratitude for what's good in my life and what's amazing and all the opportunities that are around me.